right now we're at Butao Ramen. The last time I was at this place, there was actually a lineup all the way to the end over there of the street where the white truck is, and all the way around. But this time, we came here early. It's about 5:30, right? Because we came here early, the lineup's pretty short, but if you come here any later, it's going to be super packed. I waited for 2 hours last time. We were trying to read the menu, which was in Chinese before, and then we didn't realize that there was an English menu next door, and we all can't read Chinese, so yeah. Perfect. Hey guys, so we're at Butao Ramen, and we're gonna try out their awesome ramen because it's rumored to be the best ramen in Hong Kong. I'm at the Causeway Bay location right now with my friends, Allison and Trevor. Hello!
Hey!
And I got the Black King, which is their black squid ink sauce type soup base, and Allison and Trevor got the original, and we all have like different types of sides and like different types of, I guess, variations of the same, type of noodles.
It tastes like the soup is like in the noodles.
Oh, I see, like absorbed.
Yeah, like it's very
Is it tasty?
yeah, it is.
Awesome!
My turn. Yep, approved. It's very good. The noodles are perfectly cooked. This is seaweed, that's cabbage, and then this is my beef shoulder, and it's actually a huge bowl too. And the soup is excellent.
So 而家我想試我個 ramen 啦，咁呢一個咧就係 the Black King ramen. It's really good. There's a really strong garlicky taste, so if you like garlic, definitely get this one. You can actually choose the level of garlic that you pick, and there's this like sesame stuff on the top, and it's delicious. It's seriously like super delicious. So this is actually the sesame sauce. It looks like crab, but it is delicious. And the pork is really tender. And I chose hard, thin noodles, but you can actually vary the size of your noodles as well as the hardness of the noodles. And you can also actually choose the consistency of the soup as well, whether you want it to be rich and thick.
So we finished our 2 bowls of ramen. Our bowls are completely clean. And compared to Vancouver ramen, I would rate this a thumbs up. Probably because you can modify your bowl, so you can customize it to what you want it to be. And the soup is really tasty. And ambience, like, it's a little crowded. There's apparently like a 3-hour lineup outside, but that's okay. That's why you have to get here early. But yeah, I would come here again.
I actually never had ramen, I think, before, but this was definitely something that was quite unique. I've never had a soup that tasted like this before. It was really, like there's a lot of garlic in the soup, and that was okay with me. And the pork was very soft. And that's one of the defining characteristics of the noodle, I think.
So for me, this is the second time coming here. And just like the first time, I love it. And I would say the ambiance is great. I love the coziness of the tables, how close everyone has to be.